string are also one of the data structure in Python. Can be, can manipulate strings. Strings can be expressed as enclosed in single quote or double quote, like this. Okay, so that means you can put your string inside a single quote, like hello world, or inside double quote. Okay, there is no difference at all between these two. Okay, so we can use single quote and double quote with the strings. So let's go to Python interpreter. Okay, I'm going to clear this and hit enter. So imagine we have a string here. Okay, so the string, first I'm going to use a single quote, and it's gonna be something like this. When I hit enter, it will give me that, okay, the string that I typed there. So if I just type something like hello world and hit enter, you see it is giving me an error. Okay, it's telling me that hello world, there is some kind of syntax error. Okay, something like that. But when you put that inside a single quote or double quote, it's not gonna give you an error. It will print that for you. So this time with double quote, okay, world, okay, double quote and hit enter. You see that again it is giving me the string that I just typed there. So a string is a set of characters. Okay, we can access the characters one at a time. Okay, let me okay, I don't know if I use Python interpreter or IDE. So let's go with Python interpreter again. Just imagine we have a city. Okay, it is equal to Delhi. Okay, and hit enter. So right now, okay, if I create another variable, it's going to be letters or letter. Okay, it is going to be equal to city, and for example, I want to have the index 1. Okay, you don't know what an index is. Okay, so strings are like set and list and something like that. Okay, it's a data structure. That means these are indexed. That means the first value, the first thing that you see there, it has a value, it has an index. Okay, so in this case it's maybe 0, the E is 1, L is 2, H is 3, and I is 4. Okay, now if I hit enter, it must give me E. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's not giving me anything. Okay, that is because I didn't print that. So let's print the letter. Okay, and hit enter. So you see it is giving me the E. Why not the D? Because the indexes start from 0. Okay, so it starts from 0 and goes up to the number that we have, the last number. Okay, so there is also negative. Okay, negative indexing. Let's see that I have letter 2, for example. Okay, letter number 2, it is going to be equal. Okay, we have the city variable. Okay, just imagine I want to use -1. Okay, now if I use letter number 2 and hit enter, it's giving me the I. Why the I? Because it starts from the opposite side. Okay, but in the opposite it is not going to start from 0. Okay, start from -1. Okay, then the H is going to be -2, I think. Okay, and you see the H is -2, and L is -3, and E is -4, D is -5. So it is how we can access. Okay, we can access the element of the string. So it is how we can create strings and we can access the strings in Python. It's not all the thing about strings in Python. Okay, because we're going to have too many things. Okay, too many options with string that we're going to go through them step by step. You will learn all of them. Okay,